Hi, my name is David, and I'm going to walk you through how I solved the CSWP practice problem 12.8. For this problem, we're given a start part, which gets us 95% of the way there. All we have to do is add these 2-degree drafts all over the place. And I'll talk about this one first. So for this draft, around the little top ring, it looks like the draft angle is going inward like this. So I'm going to exaggerate it, and it would look something like this for the draft angle. And assuming that we select the top face here as the neutral plane, that's going to make it so that the draft is going outward like this, away from the neutral plane. So it's going outward rather than like an inward sort of draft. So it's going to be adding material to this ring. And then for inside, here it looks like we're also drafting outward. We're going to be adding material because if you look at this ring here, so just point it out over here. So this ring, if you look at that ring, the dimension, the 55 dimension, is coming off of this outer circle rather than this inner circle. So basically, we're going to be adding material as we're going from this circle to this circle right here, which is getting smaller, so that we're adding material as we look down the face. And then for this these outer circles, you can see that the 80 is pointing to the inner circle, and then it'll draft away like outside of that inner circle and add more material as it goes to the outer circle. So as you're following from this circle and going to this bottom circle, it's going to be increasing in radius. So there's going to be more material than when it was just straight down. Okay, and it's going to be like that for all of these other faces. For this face, this face, this face, we're all going to be going outward, so generating more volume. Okay, so that's enough said there. Let's do the draft. So we're going to set our draft angle to 2 degrees. We'll select this as the neutral plane, and then the curved face here. And if we click the green check, and maybe take a moment to check here, you can see that there's a slight draft right there of 2 degrees. Okay, so let's check out the bottom. For the bottom, we're going to do the draft with the neutral plane as the top plane. And then for the faces to draft, we're just going to click on all these guys. We want all of these faces. And this face and this inner face here as well. Now let's make sure that we actually have the draft going the right direction. If we look at the top view here, we don't quite see those kind of offset, like we don't see the 2 circles that are right next to each other. So it looks like we got the draft in the wrong direction. And you can sort of see that here if we do show preview. You can see that one of these is the original. This is like the original contour around. And then the other one is where the draft is going to end. And so if we switch the direction, so if we click on the reverse direction, you'll see that the draft is now going, technically it's going outward. It's going away from the body, the solid body, which happens to be going like sort of inside this this empty space here. But basically it's adding volume to the whole body. And right here, this circle is drafting out to this circle, and then here, this circle is drafting into this circle here. All of it is outward sort of drafting, so it's adding material. And that's what we want, so we'll hit the green check. And now it's starting to look more like that picture, like the specifications. So now if we check our mass, or volume, sorry, 1306560.20, and that should match the answer key, 1306560 cubic millimeters. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and keep studying.